I'm Jennifer with Curly Q Creations, and this is my 2025 January Island Batik Ambassador unboxing video. This is my 8th year of being an Island Batik Ambassador, and I am thrilled and honored to be continuing in the program. And these are the items I'm going to use to make my projects for the first half of the year. Let me show you what I got. So the first thing I received was from AccuQuilt, and they sent us this BOB die. It's the Irish chain block. It has everything you need to make an Irish chain on one pass through your AccuQuilt Go. We have a challenge coming up with this in May, I think. And they also sent this mat that goes with it. Thank you, AccuQuilt. And this is the first box I received from Island Batik. Lots of crinkly paper from my cat. And let's see, the first thing I see in here are some stash builders. These are stash builder rolls. They are 5 inches by width of fabric. Each roll has 4 fabrics in it, I believe. It's 2.8 yards altogether. These are really great if you just need a little bit of one color somewhere. I'm using these to make a Dear Jane quilt if I ever get it finished. That's what I'm doing with mine. So I've got one. This one is mostly purple. And I think there's a third one in here. Here's the third one. It looks like it's mostly green and some other bright colors. I have 3 spools of thread from Aurifil. They're one of our industry sponsors. They sent me, it's all 40 weight, which is my very favorite. And they've got this gray and white, or very close to white, and a pink. That should go. That should match my fabric this time. Here is a big, this is Meadow Hues, which was designed by Jerry Key for Claudia Porter. If you follow Create with Claudia, this is her fabric line. This is coming out to shops in February, and I'll be doing my February project with it. Just look how beautiful it is. It has all these purples and greens and pinks in there. It is so gorgeous, and it matches this thread just perfectly, if you can see that. And it comes with, there should be some coordinating fabric in here. Here it is. Meadow Hues. One light and one dark to go with it. This is a surprise package. I can't show you what's in here, but this will be used on our May blog hop. And I've already peeked. I know it is, and I'm real excited. I can show that to you in May. Here are 3 4-yard cuts of neutrals. We have this dark gray, which I just love, white and black. I use these in all my projects. Here's a pack of pre-cuts. This is called Just Dandy. Oh, that's really pretty. Like, it has turquoise and lime and some kind of orange and pinks in it. These are 2.5-inch strips, 40 pieces, 20 of each. And it comes with 2 yards of a light and 2 yards of a dark. Oh gosh, I love this color. It's really bright, kind of cherry pink. Wow, gorgeous. Thank you. Here's another strip pack. This is Tantalizing Teal. This comes from the Gradations collection, and this shows just all the teals from very dark to very light. That will be fun to use. Here's a bag from Schmetz Needles. They sponsor us every year. Let's see what they sent for 2025. We have, oh great, piecing and quilting needles, vinyl needles, and you might think these are just for vinyl, but I've been using these for fusible applique projects, and they work great. There's no sticking to your needle or anything. They're wonderful for that as well. And universal needles, always useful. An ABC pocket guide to show you what all the different types of needles they have and what they're used for. There's a little luggage tag that has the color code so you can identify your needles. Here's another one. Not a luggage tag, but still the same thing. And a handy notepad. I know I'll be using that. Thank you, Schmetz. Here is a big, probably 6-yard cut of a neutral fabric. Not sure which one it is, but it has dots on it. It's really pretty. And this came open a little bit. That's okay. This is Precious Pinks. There's 10-inch square pre-cuts, 42 pieces, 20 fabric designs. Another color from the Gradations collection. So you have every pink you can imagine right here. Gorgeous. I love it. This is our 2nd year having Oliso as a sponsor, and they've sent us all a Project Iron Pro Light. Mine is pink, which I love pink, so thank you so much, Oliso. These are really great for if you go on retreats or you go to a class and you want to take your iron with you. It's really handy for that. Dropped it. And it comes with a carry bag as well. This is made out of wool. That'll be really handy. Thank you, Oliso. Can't wait to try it out and see how it works. This is a foundations bundle. These are half-yard cuts, and got purple, solid red, light gray. Oh, this is a really pretty purple. Another green, pink, more green and pink. Blue Cheerios, another green, and more blue. So you can see they pretty well match with everything else that I got today. They know what I like. All right, that is that box. And I have a couple other boxes as well. I got this little one. This is from another one of our sponsors, Hobbs Batting. This time they sent us Hobbs Heirloom Natural Cotton Batting with Trim, which is excellent, one of my favorites. And here's something I've never tried, Hobbs Simply Stuffing. We're going to do a Funky Friends factory project this year, and the stuffing is going to be great for that. We'll try it out. It's pretty cuddly. And I have one more box down here. I'm going to leave it down here. Oh, I printed out my Funky Friends factory pattern that I'm going to be making. It is Fleur the Flamingo. Isn't he cute? I can't wait to get started on that. And more paper. And more batting. We have the Hobbs 80/20 Black, which is great when you're doing a dark quilt. Another one of my favorites. And here's some premium cotton. Beautiful, beautiful batting. Thank you, Hobbs. And here's some more fabric in here. Some more pre-cuts. These are 10-inch squares. This one is Fusion. Oh, wow. That is just gorgeous. Like, it has all kinds of pink and purple in it. That is really beautiful. And it comes with these two coordinates. Really nice. Our first challenge this year is going to be with Deb Tucker Studio 180. So I've been sent the Tucker trimmer tool and the magic wand. Never had one of these. So I'll be making a project with that for February. And we have, last but not least, one more pack of batting. It's the Tuscany Collection, 100% wool. Oh, super squishy and warm. All right, that's it for today. I hope you follow me on curlyqcreations.com and like and subscribe to my page. I hope I will be inspiring you this year with my projects. Have a great day.